Hey guys, it's Lee Miller here, and real quick, I wanted to share with you how exciting it is to do an energy audit and why it's something that you should definitely take a look at. So, as part of this energy audit, we ask for you to upload a copy of your electric bill. On the screen, this is someone's electric bill that had sent me. They were from the Pacific Gas and Electric Territory. You'll see that in the month of July, they paid over $850 to PG&E. With that, they had purchased 1,780 kilowatt hours from the utility company. And if you take the dollar amount of their bill, divide that by the number of units they bought, you'll see that they paid 48 cents per kilowatt hour with PG&E. Now, the software says that basically they're going to be buying around 16,000 kilowatt hours. And at 48 cents a unit, they're basically going to be spending $7,700 to PG&E, which translates to 640 something dollars per month. So after looking at their numbers, we set them up with a no money down solar system. And now instead of paying 33 cents, or excuse me, 48 cents per kilowatt, they're only paying 33 cents per kilowatt, which lowered their monthly bill down to $464 per month. That's $185 a month in savings. How many of you would be excited if we could free up an extra 185, 200 bucks a month off of bills that you were already paying? That'd be pretty cool, right? But it doesn't stop there. In this case, the family needed a whole roof replaced before we could go solar. So they got the roof put in at absolutely no cost, and we replaced three of the front-facing windows, the front-facing windows of the house, to make it more energy efficient that way. All of those things were thrown in as part of that monthly payment to the solar company. So you were excited earlier about saving $185 a month. Well, now you don't have to pay for the brand new roof or the replacement windows. How much more are you going to save with those options over the course of time? So in this case, we freed up some money. There's a couple options. One, you can just, if you don't need a new roof or new windows, you can just lower your monthly payment and pocket the savings. But if you're already spending that money anyways, and you do need a new roof or you do need new windows, here's a chance where you can take money that was being spent on one bill, spread it out over two or three services, and get more value and benefits. So in this scenario, looking at those options, option one, just simply lower their monthly payment and they're done. Option two is what I have highlighted in yellow. They got a new roof and a couple new replacement windows, and they went solar, and they still saved $185 a month. Maybe you chose to finance the rest of the windows and you're able to replace all of the windows in your house and go solar for about the same monthly price that you were paying to the electric company. So there's all sorts of options that are available to you. Once you upload a copy of your electric bill, I will meet with you either via Zoom or in person and look at your particular savings options and find out what's possible, find out how much money you can save through this free energy audit. So I look forward to meeting with you. Go ahead and upload that bill and let's get together and look at what savings are possible for you. Thanks for your time.